thank you for attending this performance of WaterWorld. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day at Universal Studios Hollywood.
It's jammed!
Hey!
And what are you gonna do about it?
Hey! You up there! Where do you think you're going?
No! No, I swear I don't know anything! Please, no! I swear to
Check this out! I got a mermaid! Hee-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Here it goes! Woo! Okay. All right. Let's go! The man who wants some the Deacon! Yeah! Woo!
Yeah!
Oh, come on!
Rock it out, my man! Rock it out!
Woo! Come on! Yeah! You're looking beautiful! Yeah! Woo! Ah! Yeah! Woo! Uh-huh! Yes! On your feet! Come on, get up! Stomp your feet! Make some noise! Put your hands together for the Sultan of Sleaze, St. Joe's favorite son, the Deacon! Ah! Looky here, I caught one this big!
I don't know, she's kind of small. Maybe we should throw her back in!
Yeah!
Come on!
Signal the Deacon!
Are you all right?
Helen!
Helen, get the boat! Hang on!
Stay down, Helen!
And so the Deacon's threat has ended, and civilization may start anew on dry land, while the mariner roams the 4 points of the compass on the endless seas of WaterWorld.